Good day everyone, I am Karen A. Bayawa and today I will be presenting about external communication system. It is focusing on very high frequency radio or VHF radio and satellite communications in seamanship navigation. So what is external communications? So the external communication system for seamanship navigations are a combination of radio, satellite, and visual technologies that allow a vessels to communicate with other ships, shore stations, and search rescue services. Kapag sinabi nating external communication system sa maritime, ito yung mga paraan na nakipag-ugnayan ng barko sa ibang vessels, shore stations, at sa mga search and rescue services. So the next is the type of external communication system. But I will focus the two of my topics which is VHF, radio, and satellite communications. So the next I will be discuss first the VHF radio. VHF radio is a primary means of short-range communications between vessels and coastal stations. So ito yung pinakami na ginagamit sa mga short-range communications. So nag-allow din ito ng mga ship-to-ship, ship-to-shore at ship-to-aircraft communications. So importante ring tandaan na ang channel 16 or 156.8 HMG ay international distress frequency. Pero since line of sight lang ang gamit niya, limitado ang range dahil sa adventure ng Earth. So the features and uses. So meron dalawang uses ang VHF radio which is digital selective calling and weather updates. So ang digital selective calling is to send predefined digital messages. Kaya isang pindot lang makapag-send na ang distress alert kung may weather bang dumatating. So, the weather updates is very useful sa navigations kasi nakatanggap din ito agad ng mga weather forecast o mga alerts kung may dadarating na bagyo. So, the VHF radio or very high frequency radio, it is important for navigations. It because VHF radio or very high frequency is very important talaga siya sa navigations kasi kahit sang area ka or nasa loud ka, hindi siya mawala ng signal. So anytime ka makakipag-communicate sa kasamahan mo or the other navigations. And also, hindi siya pareho sa mobile phone na kahit nasa loud ka, mawala yung signal. So that's why VHF radio is important for navigations. The second type of external communications which is satellite communications. So it is enable long distance communications beyond the range of VHF radio. So ito naman ay ginagamit for long distance communication na hindi kaya ng VHF radio. So they have three types of satellite communications. First is fixed satellite services para sa TV, internet at phone. The second is mobile satellite services para sa ship, aircraft, and vehicles. And the third is broadcast satellite services para sa radio at TV. But these three type of satellite communications is nakabase rin ito sa orbit type. Later on, madidiscuss ko rin yung mga orbit type. The three main types of satellite orbit. Una is low Earth orbit. Pangalawa is medium Earth orbit, and pangatlo is geosynchronous or equatorial orbit or more commonly called geostationary. So, yung lower Earth orbit satellite, mas malapit siya sa Earth. Kaya, mas mabilis ang signal nito. Pero, kailangan ng maraming satellite para sa full coverage niya. While ang medium Earth orbit naman, balance siya ng performance at coverage. And yung GEO or geosynchronous satellite, mataas ang orbit kaya stable ang coverage pero mas mataas ang delay niya. Next is frequency bands. So, may iba't ibang frequency bands. Pero, tatlo lang yung in-indicate ko dito sa aking presentations. Una is yung L-band. Reliable siya kahit may bad weather. And yung pangalawa, Q-band. Mas mabilis pero medyo sensitive siya sa mga weather na dumadating. And yung pangatlo, yung Ka-band. mas bago at pinakamabilis sa lahat, unlike sa dalawang mini-mention ko kanina. Pero nakadepende sa mga need ng mga barko kung alin ang pipiliin. Next, the advantages of satellite communication at the sea. So, sa oceans, ang satellite system that can give global coverage kahit nasa ang area ka sa ocean, pwede kang mag-voice call, gumamit ng internet or email, magkukuha ng weather updates at mag-send ng real-time ng data. Kasama rin to sa GMDSS, kaya anytime pwede kang magpadala ng distress signal kung may emergency. Importance in navigation and seamanship. So, sobrang importante ng external communication system sa navigation kasi nagbibigay ito ng real-time weather updates at storm warning, and also reliable emergency communications and continuous tracking in vessels with VHF radio satellite system. Mas safe at mas efficient ang navigation sa dagat. At maraming salamat po for listening. That's in my presentation on external communication system. Thank you.